1.
Hi everyone, Chad, your friendly Balsa USA builder here. I wanted to do a quick how-to video on splicing balsa together, or basswood, pretty much any wood for that matter. We use it a lot in long runs, leading edges, spars, stuff like that is all stuff that would need to be spliced together. There's a real easy way to make sure that you get a perfect joint every time. So I'm going to demonstrate it with a couple of different things. Here's an example of a long run that we're doing for an upcoming project, and it needs to be 66 inches long. So we're splicing pieces together to make that happen. I'll show you with that material first. This is just 1/8 inch by 1/2 inch. If you take it and lay it over the top, line it up so that it's still in a straight line. You can use a straight edge to get it lined up if you want. Make sure that it's perfect like that. Move your straight edge, and then you can just cut your angle, making sure that you're in enough meat that you get both of the pieces. Throw those away. Then when you bring them together, you get a perfect joint. There you go. I'll demonstrate it on a thicker piece of wood. Here's 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Sometimes with this you could use a pin to pin it to help hold it in place if you wanted to. But you're doing the same basic thing. You get it lined up, and even if you don't hold your knife perfectly straight, I'll go ahead and angle on this one. Let me grab some pins quick. So as I said, even if you go in at an angle, just keep cutting that angle the whole way through. You can see it's not 90 degrees. Remove your pins. When you splice it back together, you can see you have a perfect joint all the way around. It works good with the leading edges when we have the chamfered leading edges. If you lay them over the top of one another the same way, you can pin these also. And here you're basically just going to be lining up the back sides. Got that. And you got your leading edge that's spliced together. So super easy to splice stuff together. Don't be afraid. Always make sure you go at an angle. The bigger the angle, the stronger the joint's going to be, because it's going to get rid of more of the end grain. So if you follow these steps, you shouldn't have any issues splicing together your own balsa wood.